how to trim videos on Realme device. Hi everyone, this is Kiran. Welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how you can trim videos on Realme or any other Android device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. In order to trim your videos, you can either use Google Photos or your built-in video editor application. So for that, all you have to do is simply open up Gallery in your device and find the video that you want to edit. Tap on your video and then select the video that you want to edit. After you open it up, if you navigate at the bottom of this interface, there you have an option as a trim. So that is provided by your built-in video editor application on your device. So all you have to do is tap on this trim option. So once you tap on that, you will see the slider at the bottom of this interface. Here you have to drag this and select your length or select the point from where you want to start your video after trimming. Again, if you want to select the ending part or ending point also, you can drag this and place it wherever you like according to your preferences or according to the length of your video. So once you're done editing, you want to drag the video. If you want to go to the last part, then all you have to do is tap with your fingertip and then drag this timeline and place it wherever you like to place on your video. So here you can drag up on this slider, and also you can use this bar here. And once you're done with that, tap on the tick mark at the top right corner, and with that your video will be saved. And that's how you can trim your videos on Realme device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.